Ito nga, sinasabi mo nga kanina na Malaysia is making it easy for us to get this first.
And the ultra fast bike brought to you by PLDT Humboldt. Their ultra fast LTE for a half.
Si Rachel also is still looking for her rhythm. We didn't see too much of her yesterday. Kaya nanggagaling sa atin. And the blockers of Malaysia are working hard. They're trying to challenge our girls.
Pero tinan mo naman, bumagsak na yung Rachel Dakis. Maganda pa rin.
Ikaw na nagsabi ng James.
Oh.
At wala na place, but this time around. Si Dintin Santiago naman nag-magic nun, ha? Basta coming in at the serve, we know about her serve.
Super serve.
Oo.
Tawag nga ni Sir Seb Sarmenta kay Gretzel. Slingshot
Yun,
Soltones.
no? Pride of Basti. Maybe in the second set, this looks like it's going to be ours.
It's 23 serving 13. It's within 2 para sa Malaysia. Napatayan. And the double block works as we take set number 1.
Now watch out for our services. We have to take away those service errors for the second set.
Second set about to start. Jovelyn Gonzaga, the Bionic Guapa, our team captain. Rachel Landak is obviously one of the basta volleyballistang Pinay. Maganda talaga. Punta ka. Jaja Santiago with the tip and gets the finish.
You know, the Philippines will adjust to that. That's something naman they do well. Then last in the back. Hindi niya palalagpasin uli yan. Anticipate na nila yan next time. Kita naman natin na talagang both si nag-jump set spike, si Gonzaga, as if saying, teka, I will make up for that. And
here's Dakis.
Of course, Dakis. Nadedehado all throughout. Since we started this matchup against Malaysia, we have always been ahead. Hope to keep it that way. A little bit wanting right now. Of course, anticipating Malaysia. That's something that Coach Roger Garayev said that is this time. They're scoring a lot off of the dinks, and somebody was caught at the net.
A lifting violation.
Service errors. We don't want to give up not even a set against Vietnam. You know,
he rises and baptizes. And that ultra fast bike brought to you by PLDT Humboldt.
Ganun kataas lumundag, and you have that hang time. Talagang you can pretty much case. Nice double block there. Finally scoring.
At pati si Jovelyn Gonzaga nakikisama sa block.
The Chinese scored on the first set. And in great burst, this is really somebody to watch out for. Mahaba pa. Of course, error there. Regalo para sa Malaysia. We're gonna have a couple of those. Hindi naman mawawala yon. But
fortunately, para sa Pilipinas, Malaysia committing a certain... Nakadalawa ka na, tama na. Dapat may gano'n ka. To by PLDT Humboldt, they're ultra fast LTE.
Yep, that's right. Malaysia is really just right there behind the Philippines.
And again, she was scored. Rachel Landak is another ultra fast bike.
Javi Maraño now coming in for the first time for Dintin Santiago Manabat. Ito naman.
Beast mode, don't care. The BMDC ready to be unleashed.
Ayun, no?
Dito sa Malaysia. If you want energy, effort, you dial number dapat.
Kaya mo, medyo malamig pa, kapapasok pa lang.
Malaysia, now mas may pangil na sila sa net.
At saka they gain confidence. There we go! Jovelyn Gonzaga again, killing it.
The go-to girl, the ultra fast bike brought to the net. They did so for Petron. That attack not over. Puntos para sa Pilipinas. 4 ating naman. And that time, going out of bounds, Pilipinas on the board as we take the lead. Heading into the second technical timeout. Just a 4-point lead para sa Team Pilipinas, 16-12. Dito sa set number 2, si Teng winning Lim Wingyi earlier in set number 1. They're showing some fight also dito sa set number 2.
Everybody, nice offensive block, Abi Mara. Yan na, nafe-feel na natin nafe-feel na natin yung energy emanating from the 6 there. Grabe talaga, no?
Uli sa taas, but goes out of bounds.
That's okay, we saw the effort. Eliza Valdez, I think she's found her mojo.
Sabi ni Eliza, how key for a happy family.
Of course, we know that Eliza Valdez is the type of player that...
The volleyball fans in the Philippines, Eliza Valdez.
Naku, alam mo, si Eliza, nakausap ko yan before she left. Siya mismo, that's the word she used. Kilig na kilig siya na nakakalaro niya yung mga idol niya.
Back in a moment. Jaja Santiago.
Talaga naman.
Abi Maraño mo ako.
Happens din yan, sabi mo talaga to si Abi Maraño when she's on.
Paradisa Malaysia and the block brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Knowing Eliza Valdez or even more, pag nakikita siyang nabablock na ganyan, mas lalo siyang nacha-challenge. And,
hey!
Just as we called it, James, no? Hindi yan
by PLDT Home Ultra fast.
magpahinga sila to be more efficient. Lalo na yung mga front row players who keep having to get up for the blocks. It's nice to be able to rotate. Number 6, Mei Ching Lo, we were talking about her earlier.
And that block brought to you by Smart. Live more.
That's 2 in a row for Eliza. She was Indonesia.
And we have more action and just kaso agad-agad sumasagot yung atin namang franchise player na si Eliza Valdez, sina Rachel Landakis. Job. Well, everyone performing well para din sa Team Pilipinas as we prepare to
In that sequence, no? Pero marami silang coming from Malaysia. Sayang yung mga offensive.
and more action when we come back. The Philippines looking to run away with it dito sa ating pangalawang set. Tayong kontra sa Malaysia and Coach Roger Correa mixing and matching the personnel on the floor.
And that was a very timely timeout that he called because we gave away 2 points just like that. No? Parang walang nangyari doon. And we're at the brink already of winning the second set. So we wanted to break that a little bit and see if we can regroup. We're looking for the Philippines to finish it off. Service error.
And we are at set point in set number 2. Michael Ortiz. And a good read para sa Team Pilipinas. Of course, when everyone is all in, a bigger chance to win.
In the case of the second set, James, pati ang Malaysia chipping in because of all of their unforced errors. Even that last unfair player, si Lo, ng Mei Ching Lo ng Malaysia to really just take on the not just one person, ganun ang nangyayari sa Malaysia. On the other hand, the Philippines able to distribute the points among all of their players. Nakita natin si Eliza Valdez towards the end of the second set na napakita earlier. It was Jovelyn Gonzalez.
Mga kapatid.
Naku, napakadami niyan, ano? It cost 10 Singapore dollars to watch it there. Imagine, nasa mga 400 pesos lang yan.
Pero sulit bayad.
Oo, naku. And pinatay ni Gonzaga. Coming from may dalawang blocker doon in her.
Oh!
Narinig yun galing dito, no?
After that first lead in the game para sa Malaysia, 1-0. Nabawi natin dito, 2-1 in set number 3.
Yeah, Morato, talagang very smart going for Eliza from behind the attack line. Nobody saw that coming, not even us. At hindi niya nahabol. That is what is the... And Malaysia just wala.
By Smart, live more. Eliza Valdez continues to cook.
And we know that Eliza Valdez is also, got it all. You know, we've got the attacks, we've got the killer attack from this girl. She is the team captain of the team and a pride of the army as well. And really, tinitingala at rinirespeto na ate. And Malaysia needed that, you know. This is a must-win for them. On the other hand, you want to just take this set already and go home with a straight set win against Malaysia in time for...
Para sa backline ng Team Pilipinas is Malaysia.
The time when they don't want the service errors. We seem to have gotten rid of ours. We've been pretty successful from the service.
This time, the Philippines falling into a string of errors. Tatlo na lang, hinahawakan na lamang, scored for the lead. Heading into the first technical timeout here in set number 3, we are up 8-4. Magandang umaga Pilipinas at maganda ay pinapakita ngayon ng ating mga volleyballistang Pinay. We are up 8-4 here in set number 3 and we are up 2-0 kontra dito sa koponan ng Malaysia. All smiles para kina... And the Philippines who scored that one, tumama sa net, went out of bounds, hindi na hinabol.
A couple of times too earlier and confidence, no? We're gonna see them try to challenge our blockers a couple more times. Yan ang gusto ni Dakis, yung mga open sets na ganyan.
Alim siya ng bola.
We'll take it.
And Abby Maraño waving her fingers.
Talaga kung may Abby Maraño ka sa mukha mo.
BMDC, and you saw that when she was playing and winning championships. At mukhang may rotation error
may
yata.
Tito, bago yung service error. Lucky for Rachel Dakis, and she knows it. You know, we talk about the smiles from these girls. See, Eliza, in your talent will shine through, sabi niya, and that's what the girls are doing. They really have so much joy in their play.
As the Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Well, they indeed. This time,
Eliza detonates.
Ayun.
And the play of the game brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Yes.
Sabi ni Eliza Valdez, akin na ulit. Dito sa set number 3, ang mga volleyballistang Pinay, they are up 16-8.
A lot of
excellent transition para sa Pilipinas. And Eliza Valdez with the Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLD. Down the line, yes it is.
Wala no, James. Pero just to mention, it's coming from each pool, advancing to the semi there. That was a, yes, check.
When you have the hammer, you put it down. And the Ultrafast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Ultrafast LTE for a happy family.
Galing na adjustment ng Pilipinas. Itong second match natin. What a service ace there. And that's what's gonna do the thing. Balik sa court si Bindin Santiago Manaba. Bea De Leon also, who saw action earlier today. Si Arifin Nuraini of Malaysia, number 2, was also their second best scorer yesterday, but she has not.
Nakaka-block.
Well, I guess he'll show my age sa UST ko siya naalala talaga. Asia, slowly but surely making nakataon na mag-practice together as a unit, and they need to capitalize on that.
Good read by Denton Lazaro.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, ano? A good serve, a bad serve after capitalizing on it. Consistent na tayo sa service, no? Hindi naging problema yun. Let's see what Bindin Santiago will deliver this time.
So
Manaba
in the game. So Ton is making it. Bindin Santiago Manaba too strong in the service, but you know, we can't be sloppy. We can't be sloppy. Offsuit of their game, the block brought. So Bea De Leon trying to hammer it home, pero huli sa taas.
Talagang that can.
And gets the finish.
Ni Eliza medyo malayo yung posisyon nung kanilang finds that goal, finds the opportunity to score easily, and she does.
And more action in just a moment. And you can see the score 14-23. Yung kanilang blocking, whenever they got good reception, they were able to execute. Kaso lang, ang dami talaga nila service errors, tricky.
And most yun, bumawi si Bea. Yan din naman she had earlier.
And look at the lioness of Loyola Roar, the ultra-fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra.
Close, you know, the ball goes so fast. From our vantage point, it looked like it was inside. Easy.
And the punctuation mark delivered.
That's right. She didn't even need too much power on
Come back in just a moment. You're watching the SEA Games on Sports 5. The Philippines taking their first victory in women's volleyball.